Okay people, check this out. 2004 Scion XB. 158,000 original miles. This car is from out of state, so it's absolutely rust-free. Clean Carfax, no accidents. Remote start, Bluetooth, low miles, and of course, you should never buy any vehicle without a service contract warranty to protect you, just in case. Of course, all our vehicles come with that. Good anywhere in the country. I pay for the first 3 months, 3,000 miles. If you want to go longer, that's on you. It covers air conditioning, power windows, motor, transmission. It just goes on and on. Ask us for details. This has a lot of room in it. The seats fold down. This vehicle is $49.95. We take all forms of payments and or trades. If you need help with financing, we can also help with that. We have lenders no matter what your situation is. You want to take this to your mechanic to have it inspected, as you always should before you purchase. You are more than welcome to do so. Let them put it up on the rack and show you how nice and clean this is. Under the doors, underneath. Look at that. So come to Tempest Motors, where we specialize in rust-free, out-of-state automobiles and motorcycles. Everything we sell comes with a warranty, including the motorcycles. We have new vehicles in and out of here daily, so come check us out at Tempest Motors. Thanks for looking.